Griswold Elementary School students. This is Mrs. Banwell coming to you from my house. And today we are going to talk about butterflies and caterpillars, how caterpillars turn into butterflies. This is a story that we're going to be doing together called The Butterfly Life Cycle. This is a second grade story, but anybody can do it, of course. And we're going to talk a little bit about two words today, my friends. We are going to talk about the words is and are. So when you have one thing, like one butterfly, there is a butterfly. You're going to use that word is for one thing, or he is, or she is. If you've got a lot of butterflies, there's a whole bunch, you're going to use the word are. So you would say they are, we are. So is and are is what we're going to practice today. See if you can say sentences using these words is and are. Can you do it? I think you can. Here comes our story. It's called The Butterfly Life Cycle, and it is by Taryn Anderson. Here we go. Let's look over here onto our first page right here. Okay, so right here, if you look at this picture, we can use the word are. There are lots of butterflies flying in the sky. Look at them all. There are many butterflies. What's your sentence for are? Think about it. Are. For this one, we can use the word is. Is. And for this one, we could say that the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. Is. What's your sentence for is? What you want to think about that? Okay, let's turn the page. Here comes the next one. I'm gonna look right here at this picture right here. It says a female monarch butterfly. This is gonna be monarch butterflies that we're talking about. A female monarch butterfly lays an egg on the bottom of a leaf. She might lay several hundred eggs in her lifetime. The eggs are oval shaped. A caterpillar grows inside the tiny egg. The egg hatches in 3 to 12 days. So caterpillars come from eggs. So for this sentence, we're going to use the word is, and we're going to say the egg is very small. The egg is very small. What's your sentence for is? Think about it. So there's the egg. There's that tiny baby caterpillar coming right out of that egg right there. Okay, let's talk about this one now. There's this picture. Let me read it to you. Here it goes. The hungry caterpillar eats all the time. It needs a lot of food to grow. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then the caterpillar eats the leaf that it's on. So for this one, we are going to say is again. And we're going to say the caterpillar is eating a leaf. The caterpillar is eating a leaf. What's your sentence for this one? Use is if you want. Okay, here comes our next one. The caterpillar grows quickly, but its skin does not grow. The caterpillar's old skin splits and peels away. The caterpillar will shed the old skin many times in this stage. So you can see how that's the old skin right there starting to come off, but then it's really coming off. And here that's the old skin right there. Here the old skin is off. So for this sentence, we can say the caterpillars are growing, because we could talk about more than one caterpillar. The caterpillars are growing. Okay, here comes our next one. New skin is under the old skin. It's soft at first, but soon hardens. The caterpillar sheds its skin 4 to 6 times and eats the old skin each time. The caterpillar grows for 2 to 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. So for this picture, we are going to say the caterpillar is climbing on a leaf. The caterpillar is climbing on a leaf. Okay, nice. Keep trying with those is and are sentences. You can do it. Now, when the caterpillar is grown, it hangs from a branch. to prepare for the next stage. It sheds its skin one last time. The new skin is bright green and looks like a leaf. So you can see it hanging upside down, and it's changing its skin again, and it's going to create that chrysalis or hard shell around it. And for this one, we are going to say the word are. The caterpillars are hanging from a branch. The caterpillars are hanging from a branch. This green skin hardens around the caterpillar. It will protect it from other animals as it changes inside. The caterpillar becomes a pupa. It will stay inside its shell for 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, big changes happen to its body. The caterpillar is inside there, but it's changing. It's changing its skin and its body. So that's that hard shell on the outside. So for this one, we can use the word is, and we can say the caterpillar is inside a chrysalis. Changing. Caterpillar is changing. Keep using those is and are's, guys. You can do it. Let's do the next page here. This is an adult butterfly as it comes out of the chrysalis. It says, an adult butterfly comes out of the shell. Its wet wings are folded against its body. So you could see it's inside the chrysalis starting to come out. And there it is at the end. Came out of the chrysalis. That's that hard shell right there. So for this one, we can say, the butterfly's wings are wet. They are wet. They have to dry first before the butterfly can fly. Very important. Here we go. The new butterfly rests. The butterfly must hang upside down or it will not be able to fly. Blood pumping into the wings causes them to unfold and spread out. The butterfly has to wait for its wings to dry before it can fly. So for this one, we can use the word is. The butterfly is upside down. It is. It's upside down, waiting for its wings to dry. Is. Almost done, guys. You're doing great. Let me hear a couple more sentences today. This one is, the butterfly hangs for several hours. The sun and air dry its delicate wings. A butterfly has 2 pairs of wings. They are covered in scales. The wings in the front often have a different pattern from the pair in the back. The colors on the wings are usually similar to each other. That's a monarch butterfly. For this one, we can use the word is. We can say the butterfly is beautiful. It is beautiful. It's a monarch butterfly. It is beautiful. Once the butterfly is able to fly, it flies off to eat. Unlike a caterpillar, a butterfly does not eat leaves. Instead, it sips sweet liquid from flowers. It also searches for a mate. So it can't eat a leaf anymore. It doesn't have teeth. It has like a tongue that's shaped like a straw, and it sucks up nectar. For this one, we can use the word are. The butterflies are drinking nectar from flowers. That's what they do. They are drinking nectar. Last one, guys. Here we go. Adult butterflies do not grow. They save their energy for flying and laying eggs. Females are bigger than males. A monarch butterfly may only live for 2 to 6 weeks. After she finds a mate, the female monarch lays her eggs, and the butterfly cycle starts all over again. For this picture, we're going to use the word is. The butterfly is laying eggs. Is. So you think about your sentences for is and are and email them to me. Tell me what you like better. Do you like butterflies better or caterpillars better? You can draw me a picture and send that my way. And the first family to send me a picture of a drawing or sentences, anything at all, gets a silly picture of me and my 2 kids, Jenna and Kara. Okay, Griswold Elementary School, bye for now. Keep being awesome.